Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So be aware, because you have to do that if you want to download the app from a different app than the Google Play Store, so for example from your browser. All we have to do before downloading is to enter the settings. Here in this left section we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom and find more security and privacy. Scroll down again and localize the option Install Unknown Apps. So right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, specifically for example the apps, and of course we can change it. So let's pretend I want to download the app from the Chrome. So let's find the Chrome and tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is right now allowed to install something. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher again, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome, in my case, is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.